Hello everyone, welcome back to CloudOps Zenith. Today we have an exciting tutorial for you. We will walk you through the process of how to log in to EC2 using SSH. If you are new to this channel, please check my previous video on how to create an EC2 instance. But before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, then please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. Now let's jump into the world of SSH. Now as we can see, we have an instance already launched in AWS. Now what we will do is that using its public IP address, we will try to SSH into the EC2 instance, right? Now for that you need to have a Putty. But before doing SSH into the instance, you need the Putty application installed if you are using Windows. So maybe you can visit this link where Putty gen, right? Now based on your OS, the OS type you are using, you should install the installer. Right now I am using a Windows and I have already installed this installer, right? So I'm going to skip this step, right? Now once you have downloaded and installed it, right, now we will be generating a private key via which we can SSH into this instance. Now we'll copy this public IP address. Now in this Putty application, we will paste this public IP and use the key which we generated, right? Okay, the username for this is EC2-user, right? Let me expand this. Yeah, now you see the login has been successful and you should be able to perform any Linux steps or commands which you performed in any Linux environment, right? So awesome, right? We have been able to SSH into the EC2 instance which we created. Since we are done with this demo, what we are going to do is we are going to terminate this instance because I won't require this. So either you can stop it or terminate it, right? Don't keep it running. So we'll terminate it. It should get terminated within few minutes, right? Now if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might find it useful. If you have any question or if there's specific tutorial you would like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today and we'll catch you in the next video.